Hello everyone, Jude here and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for clicking this video. You guys are amazing. In this new video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a balloon swan.
This graceful swan really floats on water. Use it to decorate as well as entertain.
Enough said, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started. Hello guys, to make a balloon swan, we need 1 to 60 balloon. Alright, we're going to put the tip of the nozzle on the tip of the balloon pump, and for this tutorial, we are going to pump about 8 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put this aside. Gonna release a bit of air. So tie the balloon. Then we give it a squeeze to soften the balloon. So bring the uninflated end of the balloon up and then make a loop. The next thing is, here is the knot. Okay, this is your thumb. You're gonna move it like this to find a middle section of the balloon. Once you find it, you're going to bring the balloon like so, hold it here, and then twist it. 1, 2. So you're going to get this. The next thing is, what you're going to do is, you're going to put this loop under. Next is, you're going to bring this uninflated end like so. You're going to put your thumb here like so, and then you're going to squeeze here, apply a pressure like so. Then the next thing is, you're going to push this down here, and then this knot you're going to hide it behind. Okay, hide it behind. There you go. Our balloon swan has completed. That's about it guys. If you like this balloon tutorial, please do comment at the comment box down below and give it a thumbs like. And please do subscribe to my channel by clicking at the subscribe button, hit the bell so you do not miss anything from me in the near future. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.